Laptop makers are shaking things up with dual screens, foldable designs, and even replaceable parts.
Rich Jamiro explains in today's TechSmart.
Laptops are getting more versatile as companies rethink the standard design. Today I'm taking a look at some unique models with dual screens, DIY repairs, and even AI keys.
Like mobile phones, laptop makers are rethinking the standard form factor. The Asus ZenBook Duo 2024 is an ultra-portable laptop with two 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreens. You can use it in dual screen mode with a Bluetooth or virtual keyboard, sharing mode, or prop it up in desktop mode thanks to a built-in kickstand. And yes, you can use it as a regular laptop too.
Plus, Engadget says it's the first dual screen laptop actually worth buying.
It starts at $1,500. HP has a similar machine called the Spectre Foldable PC. It's pricier but gives you a lot of the same features. Remove the keyboard to create one large 17-inch screen, or you can have two 12-inch screens. Smart software helps your Windows snap to just the right layout. There's even a built-in kickstand. This one starts at $5,000. How about a laptop computer you can repair or upgrade yourself? That's what Framework is doing with their 16-inch laptop.
Ultimately, the problem is that we're just piling up e-waste around the world as we churn through these devices that are not designed to be repairable or upgradable.
Framework's laptops let you customize just about every component you need. And since they're modular, you can easily swap them out for repair. Machines start at $850. Finally, all laptops in the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series have a touchscreen, while the top-of-the-line model has a new Intel Core Ultra 9 processor inside, which adds an NPU, that's Neural Processing Unit. This handles AI tasks.
This computer also has the new AI key built in. One tap and it brings up Microsoft's AI assistant called Copilot.
The screen is big, bright, and incredibly sharp, but the entire package is super lightweight. The Galaxy Book 4 series starts at $1,100.
That AI key is going to be key as manufacturers push new AI capabilities of their laptops in an effort to get people to buy or upgrade. If you want more information about any of these laptops, go to my website, richontech.tv. I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are TechSmart.
Rich never fails.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
Henry, you need a little laptop. You said yours always freezing up.
Oh, they're always asking me for a Walmart gift card. I can't figure it out.
It's like
It's like the
gotta
CIA, FBI is coming
gotta
after
stay on
me.
top of
Oh,
that.
what's going